Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be solving similar type of problem what we have seen before. It's called ginortS. It's like reverse of sorting. So let's go through this. You can see in the description, this is what ginortS means. Sorting reverse it is. So you will be given a string S. It's a alphanumeric characters only, and our task is to sort the string in the following manner. So all the lowercase letters are ahead of uppercase letters, means first the lowercase letters will come, then uppercase letters should come. All sorted uppercase letters are ahead of digits, means first lowercase letters will come, that too sorted, then uppercase letters comes, that too sorted, and then digits will come. And in digits you have odd digits ahead of sorted even digits, so you have to sort the odd digits and then after that only sorted even digits will come. So first lowercase letters sorted, then uppercase letters sorted, then even digits odd digits sorted, and then even digits sorted, right? So given a string you have to arrange in this fashion. Now the input will be given in this way. String S will be given first, then constraint is length of S has to be between 0 and 1000. The output is a sorted string. You can see here sorting 1 2 3 4 is given as the input, and at the output you can see first lower case letters are coming, that too sorted. G's comes first, then I, N, O, R, T, then uppercase letter S comes, only one uppercase letter is there, then digits are coming, that too here first odd digits come and then even digit, all of them are sorted among themselves. So this is what we have to do, and you can see, so we are given nothing here. So what I'll do is the logic what I'll try to build here, I'll separate it out. First I'll take the string and then I'll separate the uppercase letters, store it in some list, then I'll take the digits, lowercase letters, so I'll separate them from the string, and then I'm gonna sort it, and then I will recombine. Okay, so that is the approach I'll follow. Simple it is, you can see. So let me do that. So let me call S is equal to list. I'll convert into list input. So this is my input, then I'll define upper one list, then similar to that lower, this is one list, then what we have even, this is one list, and then finally odd, this is one list, right? I'll take the string for I in string, that is S. I'll separate it out everything. So we are looking at each alphabet of string, it is in a list form, you can see here. If I dot is upper, then what it will do, it will append into upper list, upper dot append I, right? Same thing I'll do for lower and digits. So control C, control V, control V. Here what I'll do, here I'll write lower, here also I'll write lower. Then here what I can do, you don't have any even or odd type in here, so what I'll do, I'll search for digit, and then I will put another case here. If it is divisible by 2, integer type I have to do because it is of string type. No, list will be here in a string type, so I have to convert into int. If it is if modulo 2 is equal to 0, then what you do is you append this to even, right? So this is what we have to do, else it will append to odd, else it will append to odd. Control C, Control V, you remove this, and this you can write odd. Right, so simple it is. You can see I have separated the list. You can see the print. I'll print the list as well, so that you will be able to see how it looks. Then each of them also, if you want to see, you can. I'll print it for you. Print upper. Then I'll copy these. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V. Here I'll show you lower. Then here I'll show you odd, and here I'll show you even. Let me run it. So you can see you have this string, input string is sorting 1 2 3 4. So you have this as s, print s, this one. Then you have print upper, lower, odd, even. So upper, then lower, then odd, and then even. Now we have to sort these guys among themselves. Here it looks sorted, but if you will have other numbers, you will see that it will not be sorted. So let me sort it. So first I'll print like this, and after that also I'll print. What should I do? Upper equal to sorted. It will sort automatically. Upper. Same thing I'll follow with other guys as well. V, 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 V. Only 4 are there. So this will be even. Then this is odd, and this is lower. Similarly here, lower, odd, even. Okay, and then I'll show you same thing I'll do. Control Z, so that you will be able to see after sorting as well. Let me run it the code now. So before sorting, after sorting, you can see. So these guys are before sorting, and you can see here ginorT is being sorted, and these are already sorted, so no effect is there. But you had to sort each of them, sorted, then sorted. So now each of them are sorted. What I'll do, I'll remove these guys. Now you don't want this, even this also you don't want. I'll combine them. So how I'm gonna combine? So see, first we have to combine the lowercase, then uppercase, then odd, and then even, right? So simple concatenation I'll do, plus I will use. So let me write result equals, I'll use join. So join, inside that what we have is lower, right? First lower will come, so it will attach all these guys together. These guys, there is no space here, so it will join them together. Then you have same thing with plus. I'll do plus, because string concatenation we are doing, but this time you are having lower, upper, right? Then again plus I will do. This time you have odd, and finally you have even, right? So this is the result. You can remove these guys, you don't want them in output. You want is attached string. So I will print the result now, and you will get the output. Print result, right? So I hope you are able to see there is nothing new I am doing here. Sorting thing we have to do, which we can directly do it. If I'll run it, you can see it is passed. Let me submit it the code. All the test cases are passed and we are done. So simple sorting it is, you can see, compared to what we had done in the previous ones. So we got around 40 points here. So now let's go for the next question.